from the left, and 2 blue diamonds at the top. These they look like smokes, maybe. Okay, we one put here, and we put another one from the left side. Ta-da! That's our ship. That's our ship. Yep. That looks like a ship. Okay. Let's put it back. Alright, the next ship is butterfly. Look at that. That's a butterfly. Okay, that's a butterfly we have. Okay, this butterfly has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ships. Let's count again from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, 17 blocks. It has 1, 2 blue diamonds at the top. 1, 2. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 ornate triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 orange triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 trapezoids. 4 yellow trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow trapezoids. 1, 2 green diamonds. 1, 2 green diamonds. 1, 2 purple squares. 1, 2 purple squares. 1, 2 red hexagon. 1, 2 red hexagons. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin from the center. We have 2 purple squares at the center of the butterfly. That's the thorax or body of the butterfly. And let's put some wings. Let's begin with okay. One wing from the right, another wing from the left. Okay, let's put the green wing side, another wing, green. Okay, let's put triangles. One at the top, another at the bottom. Okay, let's put antennas. These are the antennas. One blue antenna from the right, another from the left, and we have one triangle from the right here, another one from the left, then we have this big part of the wing one red hexagon from the right, another one from the left. Ta-da! That's our butterfly. Okay, that's our butterfly. Yep, much. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, the next shape is house. A house. Oh, beautiful house. Look at that house. That's beautiful house. Okay, this beautiful house has how many shapes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 blocks. Okay, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 purple squares. Let's count 10 purple squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 purple squares. Alright, 10 purple squares are here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 red triangles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 red triangles. 1, 2, yellow trapezoids. 1, 2 yellow trapezoids, and one big red hexagon. Okay, one big red hexagon here. Alright, that's it. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin from the bottom of the house. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 purple squares from the bottom. Okay, let's put one big red hexagon at the center. Okay, we have one yellow trapezoid from the right, another one from the left, and we have 1, 2 triangles from the left. 1, 2, another one from the left side. 1, 2, and we have 2 purple squares from the top. Looks like a chimney where the smoke goes out. Okay, alright, that's our house. Ta-da! We fixed our house. Look at that's a much. Alright, good job. Alright, let's put it back. Yep,